Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Eastern Bank Limited, which you will need for secure and the smooth international money transfers. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of the Eastern Bank PLC, which is ebl.com.bd. Once you are here, you need to look for the search icon and search for SWIFT code. If you find any of the articles relating to the SWIFT codes, you will have to go through that and try to find the SWIFT code. The second method that you can use to get the SWIFT code is you can just directly contact them on these given numbers. You can either just call them or you can send them a query on this particular email. Then you can get the SWIFT code. In addition to it, you can also use this website, which is from Vice. It's called bank.codes. Over here, you will have to select your country, which in our case is Bangladesh. After that, simply just select your bank, which in our case is the Eastern Bank. So here, if I search for the Eastern Bank, we are going to select it. Then simply select your city and it is going to show you the SWIFT codes relating to the information that you have added over here. Now you can use any of the SWIFT codes mentioned here and you can just simply use it to make the payments. Now you can also find your SWIFT code on your bank statement, so you can also check it there as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.